Hey, today is World Ukulele Day and Groundhog Day. So here we go with Tennessee Bird Walk. Here we go. Take away the trees and the birds will have to sit upon the ground. Oh, oh. Take away their wings and the birds will have to walk to get around. Yeah, yeah. And take away the bird baths and dirty birds will soon be everywhere. And take away their feathers and the birds all walk around in underwear. Take away their chirp and the birds will have to whisper when they sing. Chirp, chirp. And take away their common sense and the birds will all head southward in the spring. Yeah, yeah. Oh, remember me, my darling, when spring is in the air and bald-headed birds are whispering everywhere. You can see 'em walking southward in their dirty underwear. That's Tennessee Bird Walk. That's Tennessee Bird Walk. It is. I don't know why. I don't know if the birds started in Tennessee or that's just the name of the song. I hope you have a wonderful World Ukulele Day. I have had, and love you. Go get one today if you don't have one. Love them. See ya. Love ya. Bye.